There's some common characteristic of all of these programs. Firstly, there has to be a strong pull from government leadership. This is one of the almost a preconditions for us to get into a situation or get into a partnership with the government. We really want a driven and competent bureaucrat who's driving the program, is wanting to drive that reform agenda and has the mandate from the political leadership, in most cases the chief minister. So mandate at the political level and a competent and driven bureaucrat to drive that particular agenda. That's when we really like to come in and support. Because while a lot of things can be done, but it really boils down to what the leadership really wants to do. And that's a common, strong characteristic of all of our programs. Now, sometimes it does happen that when we're in the middle of a program, the transfers happen and the bureaucrat changes. And that's where we have to kind of work with the bureaucracy that comes in or the leadership that comes in and collaborate with them. But at the beginning of the program, we make sure that there's a strong pull and then only we are getting it. The second, as I said, that we users take a systems thinking approach. Right? We treat, for example, working in school education, we'll treat the entire school education, all the schools, teachers, students, administrators, all of them as a system, and then take a systems approach to take that domain in the state from point A to point B over a period of time. It's not a point intervention approach. We are not looking at a part of the puzzle. We're not saying improve teacher training and then everything will be sorted with that. No, we're taking school education as a system and doing a series of things, maybe a combination of 10, 15, 20 interventions that need to happen together to bring about the change and take school education in the state from point A to point B. And as a result, and because of this, these are usually our work is in the nature of, is in 2 to 3 year transformation waves. You set a goal and it takes those 2 to 3 years to kind of get there, and you set another goal and you set another goal and so on. So that's the way it works. It's systems thinking approach. And as I said, the roadmap is often a combination of administrative initiatives on one side and technical on the other. So just to again take the example of school education, on one side, we are talking about things like what's the right configuration of schools in the state? How do you make sure there's merit-based selection of teachers? How do you have a transparent teacher transfer policy in the state? How do you build in accountability for learning outcomes? All of these are administrative or management levers in some sense. On the other side, we'll talk about things like what's the right pedagogy? What's the right teaching learning material? How should assessments happen in the state? How should the academic calendar be organized? And so on and so forth, which are all technical. How should teacher training happen? All these are technical levers. So it's always a combination of administrative and technical levers that lead to a change, that leads to a system transformation. Again, data is very important to us. Everything that's happening, try and monitor as much of that as possible through data, through as real-time a data as possible, as authentic a data as possible, and then close the loop with that. So both for inputs, the outputs, and ultimately the outcomes. So extremely data-backed approach that gets taken. And we are always a small team, right? Any of these pieces of work that I've talked about and many more, our team is usually a 4-member, 5-member, 6-member team. It's a small team which is playing the role of a catalyst. The idea is not to augment government bandwidth, but the idea is to play a role of a catalyst so that the system can deliver what it's supposed to deliver. And then over a period of time, once these interventions are kind of embedded, then sustain this change and move out, right? That's the approach. Act as a catalyst in the beginning and then sustain the change in the system. That's very important. So these are some common characteristics of the programs that we do.